Every day, potential customers visit your website, but how many of them are actually turning into leads? Chatbots have become an important part of every business because now let's see how this is set up inside Zoho SalesIQ. Settings is where we configure bots, chatbots. So first you have to create the card, that is a welcome card. Imagine a mobile phone retail business or electronics store getting visitors on its own website every single day. Some visitors are looking for budget smartphones, some want a phone with a good camera, some are just exploring and may purchase later. But here is the problem. When visitors come to the website, they may not be immediately calling to the sales team. They may browse for a few minutes and then just leave. So the sales team does not know who visited the website. They do not know what type of phone the visitor was interested in. They don't know the visitor's budget, and even they don't know whether the visitor is ready to buy now or just simply exploring. Because of this, many potential leads are lost before the sales team even gets a chance to speak with them. The real problem is not website traffic, but not capturing the right visitor information at the right time. And this is where Zoho SalesIQ Zobot can help. So, welcome to the new episode of ZenTalk. Today, many businesses spend money on websites, ads, and digital marketing. But the real question is this: when a visitor lands on your website, are you capturing their interest properly? If a customer is looking for a mobile phone, your sales team should know their name, mobile number, email, phone preference, even the budget, key requirement, and even the purchase timeline. But manually asking all this is not always possible. That is where Zoho SalesIQ Zobot becomes handy. With Zobot, we can create an automated chatbot that interacts with website visitors, asks the right questions, captures their details, and helps the sales team qualify the lead. Chatbots have become an important part of every business because even when the company is not actively working or even outside business hours, customer inquiries and sales conversations can continue without any interruption. In this use case, we are going to create a Zobot called Phone Book. This bot will help collect customer information for mobile phone inquiries and guide the visitor through a simple conversation. Now let's see how this is set up inside Zoho SalesIQ. Open Zoho SalesIQ. So this is where website visitor tracking, live chat, and chatbot automation are managed. Go to the settings from the right top corner of the Zoho SalesIQ dashboard. So settings is where we configure bots, chat settings, visitor tracking, and automation. Now click on these settings and you have to click on the bot Zobot and you have to add a new Zobot. Now you can enter a name for this bot. You can name it as Phone Guide. So this bot will be used to guide the website visitors who are interested in purchasing a mobile phone. So first you have to create the card, that is a welcome card. So in this welcome card, you can just give the messages, welcome to your company's name. For example, I am giving here, welcome to Zentegra. How can I help you today? So this all text you can be customizing and creating by yourself. So this is the first message the visitor will see when the chatbot starts. Now you can go and create the second card for the name collection. And in this, you can add the text as what's your name, and you can give input type as text. So this helps the business identify the visitor by name. And now third, we can create a card for mobile number collection. And you can give the question like, could you please share your mobile number? So the input type can be phone number. This allows the sales team to contact the visitor after the chat. And after this, you can again create a fourth card for the email collection. And now you can give a simple question like, what's your email? So you can give the input type as email itself. So this helps businesses send product details, offers, or follow-up communication. Now the next one, the fifth card. It is for the mobile type preference. So you can give the questions like, which type of mobile are you interested in? You can give the options here. So you can give the options like budget smartphones, mid-range smartphones, premium smartphones, business phones, gaming phones, etc. So input type here, you can give us the choice card. Now the next one is the sixth card, which can be the budget range. So now here I am just asking like, what's your budget range here? So you can give some options below where he can select it. For example, it can be like below 15,000, from 15,000 to 25,000, and it can be all 25,000, 40,000. For example, whatever it is, you can give it. And input type can be choice card again. So whatever is in between the budget, they will be selecting it. So this helps us sales team recommend products that match the customer's budget. Now you can go into the seventh card, which is like the key requirement. So you can give the questions like, what is most important to you? And you can give the options maybe like camera, battery life, gaming performance, storage capacity, 5G connectivity, etc. So give whatever is the key requirement you feel which is most suitable. And here also you can give the input type as choice card itself. So this helps identify the customer's main buying priority. Now you can create the eighth card for the purchase timeline itself. So in this case, you can ask the question like, when are you planning to purchase a mobile phone? And you can give the options like within a week, within a month, within 3 months, just exploring. So this will help you or the sales team to understand like how urgent it is. So here also you can give the input type as the choice card itself. This helps the sales team understand how urgent the lead is. Now you can create the final card. So you can create more cards as you want. So I am taking this as a final card here. So that is a thank you card message. Thank you for contacting us. This will be the final card in the chatbot flow, and you can now go and save this Zobot. Once published, the Zobot can start interacting with the website visitors and collecting the lead information. Now, let's see how this works from the visitor side. A visitor comes to the website looking for a mobile phone. Instead of browsing silently and leaving, the phone guide Zobot starts a conversation. First, it welcomes the visitor, then it asks for the visitor's name. After that, it collects the mobile number and email address. Then the bot asks what type of phone the visitor is interested in. The visitor may now select the budget smartphone. Next, the bot asks for a budget range. Then it asks what matters most to the visitor, such as camera, battery life, gaming performance. Finally, it asks when the visitor is planning to purchase. So based on these answers, the business now has a clear picture of the customer's requirement. The sales team does not need to start from zero. They already know the visitor's interest, budget, priority, and buying timeline. This makes follow-up faster, more personal, and more effective. With Zoho SalesIQ Zobot, businesses can convert website visitors into qualified leads. Instead of waiting for visitors to call or fill out long forms, the chatbot engages with them directly. The benefits are really clear. Visitor details are captured automatically. Sales team gets better lead information. Customer preferences are clearly understood. Follow-ups becomes more personalized. High intent buyers can be prioritized, business website engagement improves, and fewer leads are lost. For example, if a visitor selects premium smartphone above 40,000 camera and without delay, the sales team immediately knows this is a high value, high priority lead. But if another visitor selects just exploring, the team can nurture them differently. This means the businesses can handle every lead based on the intent and priority. This kind of Zobot flow is not limited to mobile phone sales. It can be used in many industries. A real estate company can ask visitors about property type, budget, location, and purchase timeline. An education institute can ask the students about course interest, qualifications, preferred batch, and admission timeline. A service company can ask visitors about their requirement, business size, urgency, and contact details. A health equipment company can ask about the product requirement, budget, department, and purchase plan. Any business that receives website visitors can use Zoho SalesIQ Zobot to capture information, qualify leads, and improve conversations. Zoho SalesIQ is not just a live chat tool. When implemented properly, it can become a powerful website engagement and lead qualification system. With Zobot, businesses can interact with website visitors automatically, collect the right information, understand the customer intent, and help the sales team follow up with better context. At Zentegra, we do not just configure Zoho applications. We understand your complete business process. We identify where leads are being missed, where manual follow-ups can be reduced, and how technology can improve your customer journey. Whether it is Zoho SalesIQ, Zoho CRM, Zoho Desk, Zoho Projects, Zoho Creator, or the complete Zoho ecosystem, we help businesses build smart, scalable, and automated systems. If you want to capture more leads, improve website engagement, and transform the way your business handles customer inquiries, connect with Zentegra. Let us transform your business completely with the help of technology.